This is 139th Taiku. Taiku 139, you might say, in the Babylonian Talmud. According to the book by Rabbi Aharon Yoshua Pessin called Taiku, a compilation of all the unresolved and unanswered questions in the Babylonian Talmud. And this 139th Taiku appears in Tractate Bava Kamma, page 110b, and it starts at the bottom of 110a. Bava Kamma 110a, with the words, very last few words of the Amud of 110a, Bai Rava Ein Bo Limishmeris Yehoyariv Yesh Bo. Based on this halacha, Rava raises a dilemma. If the stolen item does not have the value of one pruta for each priest on the priestly watch of Jehoiarib, which had many priests, but it has, now we're 110b on top, but it has the value of one pruta for each priest on the priestly watch of Yediah, which had fewer priests. Okay, so if it's fewer, then the value is more. So what's the halacha? The Mishmeres Yediah Mahu. So there's two groups of Kohanim. Yehoyariv has a lot more, and the stolen item, if it's divided up between Yehoyariv and Yehoyariv, then it's going to be worth less. But if it's divided up between Yediah, it's going to be more. So what's the halacha? Hechidami ile midyahiv liyedaya b'shmeres Yediah ha'isbei. The Gemara asks, what are the circumstances with regard to which Rava raised this dilemma? If we say that the dilemma is raised in a case where he gave the money to the priestly watch of Yediah during the time of the temple service of the priestly watch of Yediah, there would be no dilemma. There is in this payment enough value for each priest to receive one pruta. Lo tzricha dihabe liyedaya b'shmarto dihoyariv mai mi amrinan kevan delav mishmartohu v'lo klumhu o dilma kevan delo chazilei mi kar liyedaya kai teiku. The Gemara explains, no, it is necessary to raise the dilemma in a case where he gave it to the Yediah priestly watch during the time of the temple service of the priestly watch of Jehoiarib. In that case, what is the halacha? The Gemara explains the two possibilities. Do we say that since it is not during Yediah's priestly watch, it is nothing, meaning it is not a fulfillment of the mitzvah to return the stolen item? Or perhaps we say that since it was not fit for the Yehoyarib priestly watch, as it was of insufficient value from the outset, it stands ready for the Yediah priestly watch, and by giving it to them, he fulfilled the mitzvah. So the Gemara comments, Taiku, the question shall stand unresolved, and we need to wait for the Messiah, the son of David, and Messiah, the son of Joseph, and Elijah the prophet. And Elijah the prophet is supposed to answer the question. Why? I don't know. Why doesn't the Messiah answer it? That's my own personal take. But let it be soon in any case.